Hey, this is Royce with Power Lighting, and today I'm in Houston, Texas at Tour 18, a pretty famous golf course here in town, for the PHTA Golf Tournament that we're sponsoring. We're here just to get some of the sights, some of the sounds, and kind of be a part of the fun and the action that goes on at a special event like this. Let's get to it. Power Lighting is excited to be a part of golf events like this, along with members of the PHTA. Events like this really help us connect with people on a one-by-one basis, beyond, of course, just product and talking shop. So, from everybody at Power Lighting, we're looking forward to the next one. If you're interested in doing a golf tournament like this, join the PHTA, and we're going to see you at the next one. With Power Lighting, light like you mean it.